Hello guys, we're gonna play Fat Baby, and you see we have upgraded. You see I have new powers like look at the images on the right. Laser eyes and cannonball.
Let's go into the game.
Yeah. Look at
Fast.
why am I so fast?
Eat.
I'm already 33 pounds. What the? How am I that much pounds? Let me get on the bed. Can't get on the bed. Look, I'm on the bed finally. First time on the bed. Let's go. See, I have more
Rolls.
Yeah. And I already have an enemy. Where is that enemy?
One.
I wanna skip that enemy and hiya. You see that? Laser eyes. Come here. I can't eat her, man. No, just what the? Now we can eat her. Yeah. What the? That kid is stupid. Beep beep.
Oh. Where are you? Oh, you're
I'm
so
already
big.
Very big. Jesus. Oh. You see this?
Giant baby. What can do giant baby?
Destroy everything.
Yeah.
And I can cannibal.
Cannibal.
I just destroyed that building. Look at that building. Ow! What is punching me?
Somebody's punching you.
I think the little the little people is punching me. Oh, the little people are punching me. I'm gonna do something to them. Kill
no,
babies.
Kids, huh?
Kill the kids. Still here. Die. Yee. At my feet there's one baby kid, I mean.
Many things going on in this game. And the main event is you, huh?
Yeah. Attack! Yay! Yay! Ow! You see that? I just destroyed that grocery store.
Yeah. Your health bar is very large.
Yeah. And the kids are trying to pull it down.
Time to play, huh?
Oh, look, there's a fireman right there.
He's hurting you.
And what? He's doing very little damage. Where's my freaking laser? Don't freaking see it. I am very strong. I'm using the laser, but it doesn't show up. Oh! I can't. It's just aiming in one spot. Those people are trying to kill me. They're never going to kill me. I'm big baby. Destroy. This is pretty OP, my baby.
What does it mean, OP?
like very strong OP.
Oh.
Look, I can see through my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
What? No, people. You know, I think this wasn't been here. You know, there was like one version of this game that an older version that there was this area, but now there's this area. The city, big city.
Mm-hmm.
Biggie city. You know? Yeah. Wow. Didn't hurt me, but
Wonder how much bigger can you get?
I don't know. You see that fire truck tried to kill me, but I just mushed it with my big self. Dang! Where are the other enemies? Like
there are no enemies.
Yeah. Attack! Ow!
That was supermarket.
Yeah. Supermarket. I'm gonna try to do it again.
A military presence has been in the city. No command from the prime minister. You gonna face military?
No.
No?
Destroy! I wanted this building.
You cannot destroy
Supermarket.
it.
I can destroy it.
You can? With laser eyes.
What are my laser eyes? Oh no.
Military.
The military is coming. Roll, 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 roll. I'm just gonna roll over the military. Ow! What the?
What a sound was it? Awful. Somebody.
Dun, 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 dun. Bam! Regen my health, you know, a little bit. Attack! I didn't die, I just freaking rolled, you know, into a building. Just vomiting in the streets. Boom! Destruction. What is that?
I don't know.
Is that?
Somebody screaming, yeah.
But in a weird voice.
Because you're eating everything and destroying. Yeah?
Look, the military's coming.
It can do nothing.
Ow. So that did something.
Mm. Yes.
No, I can't destroy the building.
But the sound of you is like thunder.
I can't fit to these buildings. I'm too fat. I just escaped from that military. You know? Oh no, freaking military cars. Run, 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 run. Freaking military cars there. There's, look. Military. Oh no.
They're coming for you. Oh, how many of them? How many? Huh? The tanks, huh? They're using tanks against you. Where are your laser eyes?
I don't freaking. Oh yeah!
Yeah!
Ooh, I'm so powerful. Oh, muscular. I'm so powerful. Muscular.
strange noise.
Rolling over the cars. Look, the people. I eat that. Why do they make a slapping sound? Like they're slapping your butt. Like
No.
weird sound. I'm just going through the city. Look, basketball field. FBI news.
What? They
Oh
will
no.
send. Oh, another tank.
I just rolled over the tank.
News city in lockdown. Marshal has been enacted. In lockdown? There are no people anymore. If there's lockdown. Only tanks. Look.
Squish squash on a duck. Another duck.
So many of them again.
Why can't
Don't panic.
Where's my
Use a
laser eyes?
eyes.
I don't have laser eyes. I don't know why.
We have, but don't know how to use them.
I'm using.
Somewhere gone, huh? Oh,
Ah,
finally.
yeah, finally. Where was my laser eyes at that moment? I don't know why. Come here, cars. Over here, over here. What the? Come here. Car you.
The tank, not car.
But still, it's like Jesus. I
Army
survived!
General says crushing defeat when just as planned. What? As planned? You destroyed them. Oh no, there are more.
What the?
They're taking you.
I just eat those. Aha, yeah. What the? Yes! Destroy! Da! Shelling. Firing. Ow! They're shooting missiles at me, you know? I just destroy with my feet. Yes!
You're taking over the city.
Look! What does it say?
Army General says he's happy with how current situation is evolving. Huh? I don't know why they're happy. Huh?
Oh!
Buildings, you can
Ooh,
push
look,
the buildings.
look at that! Look at that!
So,
Look at those freaking cars!
yeah.
Oh no! That's bad for me.
They're there.
Oh no, my health!
Go away! Go away, huh? You don't want to
I need
die.
to survive! I need to survive!
Yes. Go away, huh? Somewhere.